Imagine getting things done without constantly switching between apps. The Rabbit R1 is a compact AI assistant that answers questions, translates languages, and performs everyday tasks with simple voice commands. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Rabbit R1 AI-powered assistant, R1 Travel Case. Product overview. Activate your R1. Hold the PTT push to talk button down until the display turns on to power on the device. Select your local Wi-Fi network and follow the on-screen prompts to connect. Your R1 needs to stay connected to the internet via Wi-Fi and be plugged into a power source to complete setup. Go to the Rabbit website and create a new Rabbithole account or log in to an existing account. Scan the QR code with your R1 device to finish activation. R1 Basics. Settings. Quick Settings. Quick Home. Device Language. Troubleshoot. OTAs. Sleep Mode. Arcade. R1 Basics. Rabbithole is an all-in-one web portal where you can manage every aspect of your interaction with RabbitOS. Access previous conversations, search queries, notes, voice recordings, and photos, and use AI agents like Intern and DLAM. Device controls. Learn the different ways to control and interact with your device. The R1 supports touch, text, and voice inputs, allowing you to swipe, tap, click, and use the scroll wheel to navigate its card-inspired interface. Touch controls. Voice controls. Text controls. AI functions. Ask anything. Identify objects. Bidirectional translation. AI recording. Magic functions. Magic camera. Magic voice. Memory. Device functions. Smart timers. Alarms. Reminders. Music. Settings. Agentic AI functions. Creations, Intern, LAM Playground, Teach Mode Beta, How to charge. Connect the USB Type-C cable to the Rabbit R1 and plug the other end into a compatible USB-C power adapter, laptop, or power bank. Allow the device to charge until the battery is full, then disconnect the cable before use. Smart features. Powered by Rabbit's large action model, the Rabbit R1 understands natural voice commands and can perform everyday digital tasks across supported apps and services. It reduces the need to manually open apps or navigate through multiple menus, making everyday interactions faster and more intuitive. The Rabbit R1 features an intelligent voice assistant that responds to conversational requests in real time. It can answer questions, translate languages, summarize conversations, provide information, and assist with a variety of daily tasks using simple voice commands. Its unique 360-degree rotating camera captures photos, scans documents, recognizes objects, and uses AI vision to understand what it sees. This allows the Rabbit R1 to provide useful information and interact with the physical world in a smarter way. Designed to fit comfortably in your pocket, the Rabbit R1 combines a bright touch screen, a tactile scroll wheel, and dedicated push-to-talk controls in a compact form factor. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, giving you instant access to AI assistance wherever you go. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.